Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a comic strip for yourself or for your business in Canva. So all you have to just do is write the word comic strip, and it would filter and give you a whole list of beautifully arranged comic that you can edit, create your own picture, or even add more to make it yours. I mean, it's virtually easy to create comics at this point. So this is how to create a comic strip. So once you are done, once you've selected a template, you can, let's assume I want to use I saw one I loved. Good, I love this. So you can click on it to see similar templates. Good, you can see this one is similar to the Marvel universe or DC universe. So you can click on customize this template, and we'll be able to create our characters and add various texts on the text boxes beside the actors here. And that is how to create a comic strip on Canva. So if you've enjoyed this video, guys, let me know what you think about it in the comment section. And do you have an idea of what else you need clarified on Canva? Have a great day, guys. Have my village people. Have a great one, guys.